Hey guys, Cam here, and today we were invited to go check out something quite special at the McLaren F1 Centre. It was the launch of a new edition of the OnePlus 6T. As you'd expect, this special edition of the OnePlus phone doesn't come in a regular box, it gets its own packaging, plus a few extra goodies. Firstly, there's a book which we'll come back to later. You also get this 30-watt Warp Charge 30 adapter for super fast charging. There's a new black and orange USB cable, plus a McLaren branded version of the carbon case. And if that wasn't enough, you get this too, which has a real piece of carbon fibre inside, forming the McLaren logo. Now back to that book. Inside there's a number of pages with gorgeous designs and nice text, and the McLaren and OnePlus story and why they think they're a good fit for each other. But also keep turning towards the end and you'll find the phone, hidden beneath the pages in its own cutout section. But now we'll put that all away and give you a look at the device itself. Now most of the specs are the same, like it has the same size battery and screen, it has the same display resolution and the same notch and the same shape design overall, but there are some differences. Firstly, on the back you'll notice there's a carbon fibre-like effect under the glass, as well as this orange accent along the bottom and up the edges. What you can't see is that inside there's now 10GB of RAM alongside the Snapdragon 845 chip, designed to help make it even faster than before. And speaking of speed, that Warp Charge is capable of delivering half a day's worth of power in just 20 minutes. Now it goes on sale from December the 13th and it will cost £649. So that's been your quick look. I've been Cam. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. Bye for now.